Girl, yes. This is a perfect Valentine's look altogether. Be honest, does this look like a silk press sew-in? This is not my real hair, and that's the scary part. This is how it looks just sitting it on my head. And anything to it, it does come with a side part. If you want your wig to look like a sew-in instead of a wig, this wig definitely already out the box comes beautiful. It flows so naturally. Add the tape on the side, just press it down right here. Hairline is perfect. Look at that. So gorgeous. Curve it just a little bit. I do like that they gave the side part, but I just need it to look a little bit more natural. And take just a little bit of this holding spray and spray my brush and just smooth this area so it can lay neat. I'm going to use my thermal brush for this, and this is just going to get the bends out the hair, but I really like the quality of the hair. Layers, beautiful layers, nice beautiful brown ombre at the ends. I really like the way the hair turned out. With this style being silky, the layers make a difference on having some body in the hair, of course, so I love that they decided to add the layers. But yeah, I like this. This looks so good. Let me show you the back. So the hair has lots of flow, as you can see. Super pretty in color. Like, I just love the color so much. See, this is a wig and it does not look like a wig. It looks flawless. I am obsessed with today's style. I shared with you guys a layered wig from MsPreciousMarie. I like this one a lot better. This one has longer layers. It has a little bit of color in it. It's just so pretty.